Guys, we are making a vending machine with my box. So I already do the second part. And this is where you put the coin. Where is it? Where is it again? Here. The little hole, and this is where you will get your fidget. So I'm just gonna make it. And I'm gonna do it for like how the fidget will go down. And you know where's my fidget is behind. And I also buy one fidget. It's also another stand, but other shape. But it's but same color. What should we use? Mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger in your tire. If you catch, let her go. Mini, miny, mo. Okay. So I have a big scissors.
Ay, pasok mo yung gunting dito na yan. Masugas na yan.
Na pa?
Ang gunting, balik mo dito.
May gagawin ako. Don't ask why there's a hole. It's for grabbing. Okay. I made a hole. Now let's cut. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Now it's done. So we're gonna. Ow. The box is so hard. I need another scissors. Okay, here's the thing, the way you. Oh, mali ako. Sa other side na lang. Bye-bye. Ano ba yan? Ulit na nga, ulit. Kanina pa. Bayat, ganito ko muna. Box. Okay. Finish in third part. So, abang. Nalagay. Ba't kahulog? Nahulog. Hindi ka siya. Kulit yung gunting. Hindi ka siya. Ow. Basta. Thinking about the way you feel, the way of the things you do. How well I can. Ano ba yan? Meron pa isa. Tatlong pakiram. Okay, itong isa kasha. So we did it.
Yung cellphone ko, Lens. Sakto yan. Pag bumagsak yan, may talo ka sa akin.
Hello?
Sakto yan. Diretso yan. Pag nabasag yan. Hindi mo nasisirain mo, ha?
Ouch!
Yan naman. Hindi mo pa rin inurong?
Inurong ko na. Hulog ka? Ikaw pag nahulog ka dyan. Ikaw na nga, dito ka na nga. Third part. Fourth part. Fidget time. So you have to go here. That's because you have to go. I don't need the fidgets because I don't need the squishies. Because the squishies like gonna make the stick full and a rocket. You can pick a curler. And there's also a clicker. Squishies are not allowed. I love you with me, dancing in the moon. It needs more cardboard. Ha? Ba't mo tinapan yun ng ano?
Kumain ko pa dyan, ano, nakakalit yan.
Kunin ko? Papaluin kita! Hello? I don't have a rope, so I'm gonna do it for like what I see on TikTok. You know what? Ayoko na nga itong isa. How about that? What kind of filter is looking What kind of filter? I would like for this sun. sand is now illegal. I have 2 sands. Now I have a vending machine for my fidgets. And you take a look. Look. See? And this. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm just gonna get all my fidgets and put it here. Okay, so this 2 hours only everywhere. So wow. Ouch. I put it in this thing where you and this now. Let's try if this works. Wow, it works. The squishies works. So squishies is now available. Okay, the hamburger is not available. The donut is available. Got my squishy. And now you're like, pay. If you didn't pay, I'm gonna go. And you didn't pay, I'm gonna smack you in the face. Cleaning thing. Burger squishy is illegal. Ah! How about you, unicorn squishy? Hey. I said don't fall, okay? Just gonna put you here. Yes, it works. So it works. You can pick what kind of squishy. Let's try the sand. I don't know if it doesn't work, but let's try. Oh, stop! You stop bowling. You're so dumb. Stop it! Stop it very much, okay? Stop it. Sabing tigil. You know what? Yeah. Fine, I put only just the unicorn. I did it. Sun is officially okay. So that's all.